Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that UGC NET paper 2023, which said that political theory included political science and political philosophy. Charles Marlin, Robert Nozick, George Catlin और W.C. Collar. George Catlin. In this book, Political Theory and What is Its, Quartos on that the political theory included political science and political philosophy, while science refers to the phenomenon of the control in many forms over all the process of all science field, and it is the concern and with the end or the final value. When man asked what the nation goods and is or what is good society. Question number second. Which of the following is incorrect? It is product of the prevailing condition of his times and in his the country Italy, and it is the academic theory. It is not real politic. All the above. Second, the Prince by the Machiavelli is a real politic, and he wrote the books and White considers the prevailing problems of Italy, and he provided the rules the ruler should follow for the ensuring the unity and integrity of his country. Which of the following is not other characterize of the general will? It is self contradictions. General will, it is self contradictions. The concept of the general will with the givings by the Russia in his social contract, the theory, the main ideas behind the general's bill, and is that it's now and that is the right and for its subject, and it is talk about the common goods. General will, it is the rationals and it is not self considering contradictions. It is thus gives and the unity and in the sense that it is the individuals. Who said that the law of the natures and are laws of the prudence? Hobbes ने दिया था law of nature and are the laws of the prudence. Hobbes ने. Hobbes while buildings and platforms for his social contract theory and describe and about the law of the nature, and here is the Quarto law of the nature as the law of the prudence. According to the Hobbes, a law of the nature it is other general rules found out by the reason and by which a person is forbidden to do that and which is the destructive of his life. मैच द फॉलोइंग्स. सरप्लस वैल्यू क्या होती है? मार्क्स की होती है. कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी किससे बिलोंग करती है? थर्ड, लेनिन से बिलोंग करती है. हेजेमोनी किससे बिलोंग करती है? ग्रेम साइन से बिलोंग करती है. जनरल बिल किससे बिलोंग करती है? रशिया से बिलोंग करती है. तो फिफ्थ, लिस्ट सरप्लस वैल्यू मार्क्स से बिलोंग करती है, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी लेनिन से बिलोंग करती है, हेजोमनी ग्रेम साइंस से बिलोंग करती है, जनरल विल रशिया से बिलोंग करती है। Which among the followings and are the king and dharmas according to the Kautilya's? All of above: security of the kingdom, security of the theory and property, security of the subject. Dharma. Kautilya's mainly focused on the duties of the kings to mention law and the orders in the society. He writes the Arthashastras because the king is the guardians of the right conduct of this world and with the four varnas and four ashramas, and he can enact and the promulgated laws, and when all the traditional code of the conduct perished and the king was looked upon and the embodiment of virtuous a protector of drama. D. D. Which of the followings and are done by the Pandit Ramabai? All of above. She privileges for the improvement in the education system of the Indian woman, and she wrote and the books called the high caste Hindu women, and he found the Ramabai associations. Pandit Ramabai Saraswati, the scholar as the feminist and educators, broke nearly every rules and the traditional that the confidence the life of and the upper caste Hindu women in 19th century India. Ramabai most important work, the high caste Hindu women, written in 1887 and focused on the plights of Hindu widows, and in 1887 and Ramabai Associated was established by him. Arctic Somta of the Vedas was written by the Bal Gangadhar Tilak. आर्टिक होम ऑफ द वेदास बाल गंगाधर तिलक ने लिखे। The Arctic Home of the Vedas and was written by the Bal Gangadhar Tilak in 1903, and this years provide the theory about the origins of the Arya's peoples, and he claimed in his books that Aryans and race the belongs to Arctic regions, and they arrived to the Indian from Arctic. What Ari Mitras stand in the Mandal theory? Only for neither of the Mitras, and it is the enemy, therefore the friends of Ari. Kautilya in his the Mandals theory has provided the ways of the interstate relations, and Ari Mitras is also one and such the relations, and Arya Mitras and is the category of the state that is the enemy and friends. which means every Amartyas and is A, the theory. Amritas is a series to be the state. Who among the following is considered as the fathers of the modern Tamil Nadu? Who among the following is considered as the fathers of the modern Tamil Nadu? B. A.B. Ramaswamy. Kautilya E.V. Ramaswamy or the Periyars and is considered as the fathers of the modern Tamil Nadu. He did the significant work for the upliftment of Dravidias and pupils. He established Dravidias Khagam. Periyars known as other social reformers and speaks and write about many aspects of caste, religion, God, feminism and language. Giving below are two statements and one layhead. One labeled as the assertions and the others labeled as the reasons. B. Both A and R is true, but R is not correct explanation of A. For Ambedkar, the term Hindu society is a myth.